Hello everyone, this is Aiyshwariya Devi, Assistant Professor, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Today I am going to teach you the basic hands-on session on spreadsheets. Today I am taking the student progress report. From this, I'm going to perform the basic arithmetic operations. Today, we are going to start up how to use a basic spreadsheet. Basic operations like sum, average, and finally, are going to provide you the chart for that particular student progress report. I'm taking here the five subjects: English, Tamil, Math, Computer Science, Science, Civics. Six subjects I'm taking. So I'm taking five register numbers for sample. First, we are going to find the sum operation. So how to find the sum operation? Select the cell you want to perform the result and click on the cell. Go to formulas, click on insert function. There you find many functions like sum, average, hyperlink, count, max, etc. We are going to find the sum operation, give sum and give OK. So they will ask the range from where to where. Select the cell from D to I am selecting the cell and give that OK. Totally the sum will be displayed. So next another shortcut method will be there. This is a straight up method. Another shortcut method for finding the sum, press Alt plus equal to symbol. So if you do that, again the cells will be selected. Click enter. The sum will be displayed. This is the second method. One is the straight up method and another one is the shortcut method. Alt plus is equal to symbol is equal to your total number of sum will be displayed. Next, we are going to find the average function. So how we are going to find the average function? The same procedure, click on the cell. You want to publish your result. Go to the formulas, click insert function, click average. Here we are going to find the average. Give OK. So same, what are the cells you want to select? Select that particular cells and give OK. Your average will be displayed. This is a straight up method. Another shortcut method for finding the average. Click on the cell you want to select. Now press Alt plus M plus U plus A. So select the cells you want to give from D to I. So finally, click enter. Your average will be displayed. This is the second method. First one is a straightforward method and second one is the Alt plus M plus U plus A. That is the shortcut method. Finally, you're going to provide the chart for the particular progress of students. So how to do the chart operation? For that, go to insert function, select chart type. There are so many charts will be there. The column, line, pie chart, bar chart, area, scatter. Many operations are there. You select whatever the graph operations you want. Select one chart type. And finally, select the chart type. Your particular chart will be displayed. This is one of the direct operation for publishing the chart operations. So select a chart type. This is the result of students. Sample result of students. Here I find the sum and average. Everything will be displayed in the chart. Another shortcut method is there for finding the chart operation. That is press Alt plus F1. Instead of going to the formula section and selecting all the things, directly press Alt F1. Your chart will be displayed. So these are some of the basic arithmetic operations to start up your Excel. In the next section, we will find how to do on filters and how to do the sum and other function operations, etc. Thank you very much.